Hello, welcome back to Mathline channel. In this channel, you will be getting a maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lesson, please watch from the beginning and continue watching to keep in touch with mathematics, especially for children. So let us start today's lesson, that is measurement of mass. It is very important in day-to-day life, the measurement of mass. So what it is? What is mass? Mass is nothing but quantity of matter. Quantity of matter in it. Mass of an object is the quantity of matter contained in it. What is matter? Anything that we can see or touch is called matter. So this pen, it is a matter. It is an object, it contains matter. It has mass. It has mass. Even any object which we can see or touch has mass. Clear? So quantity of matter is mass. The units of measurement of mass are gram, kilogram, the short form gram, gm, or simply g, kilogram, kg, centigram, or milligram. The commonly used is gram, kilogram, and milligram. For bigger units, bigger measurements, kilogram is used, and for very small, for precious things like gold and silver, we have to correct up to milligram. Now we will see how it is measured. You know that we will see in the grocery shops, vegetable shops, balances to weigh the objects. See, to weigh the objects. Actually, we are finding the mass of the object, but we are saying weight. Why? Is it same? It is not same. Mass and weight are not same. But then why we are saying like that? The method of finding mass is by using the property of gravitational force. What is gravitational force? All the objects are attracted by earth with a certain force is called gravitational force. So weight is the gravitational force exerted on any object having mass. So we are measuring weight to find mass. Directly we cannot find mass. So how we are doing that? So the object having more mass will have more weight, or more force is required to lift an object from the floor or against the gravitational force. We can easily lift a pen or a pencil, but is it possible to lift easily a cupboard or heavier? The objects are heavy because it has more weight. What is more weight? More, it has more mass also. The quantity of matter is more. If the quantity more mass means more weight, more force is required to lift the objects. So using the property of weight, so weight is the force acting on the object. Having, if it is having more mass, more force is required to lift the object, or more force will be acting on the object. So how we will find the mass of an object? In the, when you go to the grocery shop or vegetable shop or fruit shop, we can see pan balance. Different types of balances are there. Pan balance, there will be two pans and attached to the beam, and standard weights will predetermine weights of 1 kg, 2 kg, 500 gram, 200 gram, 250 gram, etc. Standard weights will be there with the shopkeeper. So what happened? Suppose you want to buy 2 kilogram of sugar. 2 kilogram of sugar. What they will do? They will take the standard weight. At first, both the pans, when they suspend the balance, pan balance, both the pans will be in the same level. What does it means? The gravitational force acting on both the pans same, or weight on both the pan will be same, or both the pan have the same mass. This is the very important property you have to remember. The weight on equal masses are equal. That is the property used to find the mass of any object. So what they will do? They will take the standard weight of 2 kg in one pan. What will happen? The pan will come down. Why? Because of the gravitational force, because of this mass. So what they will do? In the other pan, go on adding sugar till both the pans come in the same level. When it come in the same level, what will happen? Weight on both the pans are same. The force acted by the earth on both the pans are same. When therefore the quantity of matter in both the pans are same, or mass of the objects in both the pans are same. What is the mass of object in the first pan? 2 kg. So the weight of the mass of the sugar placed in the other pan is also 2 kg. In this way, the shopkeeper is weighing the object or finding the mass of the object. Clear? And what is the principle here? We are not directly measuring the mass of the object. What property we are using here? Weight on objects having equal masses are same. So when the two pans comes in the same level, the mass of the objects in both the pans are same. Using this principle, we are finding the mass of any object. So these units are, but still we are telling instead of mass, weight. We are not using the word mass in day-to-day life. Clear? We are selling, find your weight or find your body weight. What is the weight of this object? That way only we are telling. Actually what it is? It is mass, not weight. But the method of doing the measurement of mass is by weighing, by method of weighing the object. Clear? Now also the weight of the objects will change from place to place, but on earth there will be, in different places there will be negligible change, but if you go in the other planets there will be much difference. If you go in a place where there is no gravity, what will happen? We will float, objects will float, it will not fall down. Clear? So weight will change from place to, but the mass is same there also. Even though if you are floating, your weight is 0, but mass is same. Mass will not change. Now we will come to the units of mass. Gram, kilogram. Bigger objects are weighed using the unit kilogram, and centigram is not commonly used, but milligram. Precious objects like silver, gold, even gram is also used in buying groceries like masalas, chili powder, etc. We use gram. We not kg of things, right? So this how we will convert from one unit to another. Only kilo means 1000. Kilo means 1000. And centi means 1/100. Remember this common. It will be useful in other quantity of measurement also. And milli means 1/1000 of gram. Kilogram means 1000 times gram. Centigram means 1/100 of gram. Milligram means 1/1000 of gram. So remember this relation, we can convert from one unit into another. For example, 3 kg. How you will convert into gram? So before I told you to convert from bigger unit into smaller unit, we have to multiply. So by which number you have to multiply? 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. So into 1000. This is equal to 3000. 3 into 1000, 3000 gram. Now if you convert kilogram into milligram, what you have to do? You have to divide by 1000. Or if you convert kilogram into gram, 3000, and kilogram into milligram, you have to, what you have to do? Gram or gram into milligram, what you have to do? To convert bigger unit into again smaller unit, you have to multiply. Multiply by how much? Again 1000. Clear? This way you have to use this relation, you have to convert. Now, if it is 3 gram, how you have to convert into milligram? Again, what you have to do? 3 bigger, this is bigger unit. What is the relation between gram and milligram? Gram and milligram, which is smaller? Milligram is smaller. So how many milligram takes 1 gram? How many milligram? 1000. 1000 milligram makes 1 gram. Therefore, 3 gram will be equal to 3000 milligram. So when you convert into bigger unit into smaller unit, you have to multiply, and smaller unit into bigger unit, you have to divide. Milligram into gram, you have to divide by 1000, and gram into kilogram, you have to divide by 1000. This way, this find this relation. Now, that's all about the measurement of mass. It is very important in day-to-day life. To determine the price of the object, we have to weigh the object and determine the rate of the objects is determined by weighing it. So very important. That's all about the measurement of mass. Clear? So thank you for watching this lesson. Have a nice day. Please don't forget to share the video, forward, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next week.